Lenexa, a Lenexa man faces capital murder charges now in the deaths of his wife and son. 52-year-old Sheila Donovan and 22-year-old Tyler Donovan were found shot to death at a home over the weekend. A neighbor's dog was also killed. Fox 4's Hannah King spoke with investigators, and she has more now from the Lenexa Justice Center.
I learned this is a suspected case of domestic violence, and this is Lenexa's third and fourth homicides of the year, and their accused killer made his first court appearance this afternoon.
State of Kansas versus Todd Donovan.
A $2 million bond.
Because of the serious nature of two first-degree murder charges, we felt it was appropriate to get that kind of bond.
And eligible for capital murder charges.
We are prepared and ready to accept appointment on this case.
A group called the Death Penalty Defense Unit spoke up at Monday's first appearance with hopes of representing 53-year-old Todd Donovan.
So as far as the appointment of counsel, we are the only option under state law.
Because two individuals' lives were taken, it does make this eligible for a capital murder case, and that's something that we don't take lightly, and it's something that will take a considerable period of time working with the Lenexa Police Department before we ultimately make that decision.
A tense weekend in Lenexa. Friday night, Lenexa police responded to the report of an armed disturbance in the 7900 block of Hallett. Once they arrived, they heard multiple gunshots coming from the area of the residence.
Before officers continued up to the house, they stopped, initiated conversation with this individual, and at that point set up a perimeter and began negotiating for that person to come out.
Speaking to a man for 2 hours before communication stopped.
At that point, we still didn't feel comfortable making the decision to go into the home to try to arrest him based on the amount of gunfire that we already had been exposed to earlier in the evening.
And utilizing different technology to assess the situation. He was eventually arrested just before 2 a.m. Saturday morning. Multiple firearms were recovered from the scene along with two deceased individuals, and now we know to be related to the suspect. And that unit has been provisionally appointed. We're also told from Lenexa PD that no officers fired shots during this encounter. The investigation does continue because the motive is still unknown. He has been asked to surrender his passport, and his next appearance is November 13th. In Lenexa, Hannah King, Fox 4, working for you.